If you want to teach or have expertise in a skill, this toolkit is for you. Choose your teaching topic and use the toolkit to design your lesson materials. With private label rights, PLR, you can easily rebrand, customize, and resell this wordplay printable pack. This ready-to-go activity bundle is perfect for building your store or expanding your digital product line, turning creative content into income. Profit from fun, educational resources that parents and teachers are looking for. The bundle includes 9 tools to help you create your own learning materials. This product features over 450 engaging word activity worksheets, optimized for US letter size and in JPG, PNG, PDF, and Canva formats. You also get over 100 artworks for book covers, covering 9 fun and educational topics: animals, birds, clothing, flowers, food, jobs, household items, transportation, and fruits and vegetables. Find details about the other 4 tools via the link provided below.